In this video, I will guide you how to delete your Supercell account. Launch any Supercell game on your device. Tap the settings icon. Select help and support. In the Supercell support menu, tap account. Look for the option access and delete your data. Scroll down and tap request deletion of your personal data. Scroll again and tap delete my data. Read the instructions in the chat carefully. Tap I agree to delete my data. You will see a final confirmation message stating that your account will be terminated immediately. Tap delete account. Once you confirmed, your account enters a 2-week deletion period. If you don't log in during this time, your account will be permanently deleted. If you change your mind, you may be able to cancel within the 14 days window. That's it. Now you know how to delete your Supercell account. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.